One of the key developing areas in medical research as well as interaction is holistic health. And holistic health is not just simply components of the biopsychosocial model, but they're also elements of spirituality, of safety, of interaction, and also components of financial development and security. When we actually look at holistic health, we need to consider components of social determinants of health. Now, one of those things can be around actually having access to healthy drinking water, healthy foods. When we look at social determinants, we can look at marginalisation, access to computers, access to resources, access to a learning environment. A lot of children who don't have these opportunities will actually fall behind in areas of development because they have not had that holistic approach. One of the things that is really exciting with children and having children is the opportunity for them to have their own creative play and imaginative play. That's really another key milestone where we see a child's personality develop, where their interaction comes, how they engage other people, how they engage their family, and how they're applying different experiences and observations they've seen through adult interaction. Creative play is one of those amazing things that can be done with any aspect of children. It can be done through sand, it can be done through dolls, it can be done through cars, it can be done through water play, it can be done through a multitude of different components. So giving children the opportunity to go and actually experience that and be able to engage that and have them tell you their story is really, really important in not only creating the attachment, but also giving them the opportunity for them to stretch their wings and actually have that opportunity to learn and grow. So when we actually look at components of holistic health, we need to consider all of those. We need to consider family, we need to consider friends, we need to consider their interaction with their peer group. We need to consider interaction with their adult influences. We need to consider components of their social learning, their interests, that may be ballet, soccer, rugby, a multitude of different things, soccer, squash, there could be a whole bunch of different swimming. All of those different things and all those learnings are compounded to actually create holistic health and provide a holistic person. So give the children the opportunity, and if you haven't already, give yourself the opportunity to have those experiences and the reflection of yourself to actually grow as a holistic component of your health. So when we actually look at components of holistic health, such as nutrition, such as trust and engagement, such as social interactions, one of the biggest components that we need to look at is actually having a plan and having a platform for that. We know that creating a safe, stable environment with consistency, with ability to grow and develop within a safe and trusting environment is imperative for children. And that extends to not only their social interactions, but their nutrition as well as their interactions with their parents.